Hi there, this is Technology Man's World, and today I will tell you about Filmforth. So you might be wondering that what is Filmforth? So Filmforth is actually a free video editing software. It allows you to edit your videos, you can record them, you can edit them, you can add text, you can add transitions, you can cut your parts you don't like, and all that stuff for free. This is really amazing, and I'll guide you step by step how to get it, how to use it, and how to export your videos using it and upload it as well. So let's get into the first step of how to get it. So first what we'll do is that we'll get into our web browser and then type Filmforth. As simple as that, just type it and you will get your result. So just wait for it to load. And there you have it. You get this Filmforth thing. So it's really helpful. You can official Filmforth. You can also download from here. And another method of doing is that you can go to your Microsoft Store, you can type your Filmforth, and boom, there you go. Okay, but you can type something else. Oh, there you go. Now you have to just click there and install it, right? So Video Editor and Movie Maker. So you can also see that it's got a 4.8 average rating, which means that people think that it's a really good software. So out of 5, they have given it a 4.8. So you can already tell that this is a really good video editing software, and it's completely free. You have to just install it. I've installed it already. So let's get into how to use it. Okay, so we are on the Filmforth screen right here, and you can see that there are a lot of things. You can play DVDs, you can record screen, you can convert video, and all that stuff, right? It's really good. So we are gonna get into a new project, and there you see the thing, right? You can create a new project and you do all the stuff. So we click on the record screen thing. Okay, you can see that it's a record screen thing coming here. So you have to just fire it over here, and yeah, so you can see you can do all that stuff. You can turn your camera, you can see your mic, you can see your microphone, you can see your cursor, so all that stuff. So we'll click on record. I think everything is fine, so let's get into it. Hi there, welcome to my video, and today I will tell you about Filmforth. So what is Filmforth? Filmforth is a free video editing software, and I'll tell you how to get it. So first step is that you have to go to your Microsoft Store and search for Filmforth right up here. So you have to search Filmforth, and there you go, you have it, and there you can get it. So if you also want a different method, you can also do that. You can go on your Chrome and simply go and type Filmforth as you like. So we're just going to get into here. You're going to type google.com to show you how to go step by step. So let's use our web browser search engine, and now we'll type Filmforth. So here you can see that I've got this Filmforth, so you have to just click on it and it will load. And there you have it. You can free download it and see it's safe and save with a watermark and see all the stuff you can do. So it's completely free, and it has got a 4.7 rating, so it means it's really a good software. So you can see no skills required, totally free to use, save and save with a watermark. So all that features you have for Filmforth. Just click on free download, and there you have it. And that's how you get to use Filmforth. So hope you enjoyed this episode. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Okay, so I actually recorded my video. Now it's not the end of the video. It was just another recording inside the recording. So just get with it, okay? So I was just showing you how to record it. So you can see that today, 6 November. You can see today is the date. You can see a file by clicking on the open in folder. right? And you can just close this record for tabs as you wish. Right, so here we are. Now we can add our video photo clips. So you just click on it, boom, you have this, and let's get into what we're gonna do. Hi there. So you can see that it's been a long time since I've speak, and already it's like 6 seconds. So you know what you can do? You can actually split parts. So now I'm a little bit confused on how much exactly is, because you know a little bit was considered like that. You can also plus it so that it's a little bit comfortable to you, and you can minus it as well like this. Look at that. And do the detail part. So hi there. Let's get into how it was. Hi there. So we'll get into it. So hi there. So it was actually from a 6-part exactly. So we'll just put it there and we'll just split it. So you just split it, and then what you can do is that you can delete that part. Hi there, and boom, welcome to my video. So and today I will tell you about film. Hi there. Welcome to my video. And today I will tell you about film. So you can see that it's perfect now. So we have cut the part because it looks a little bit odd at some parts they're not telling. So you know, you have to just do it. Now we can also add audio, which is really nice. Remember audio, because I think audio looks with an audio it looks kind of interesting and makes the audience kind of a little bit comfortable with the video. Otherwise, some background noise come and actually make your video look like a little bit odd with background noises. So the music is like just turn hi there with the video, you know. Welcome, what I mean, to my video. So, and today we'll do that, and now we can see how it is. Hi there. Welcome to my video. And today so here you can see we have the audio. Now you may not like the high audio, which I also preferably do not prefer in my videos. I normally sorted it. So you can do it with Filmforth. So what it good is that you just click on the audio button, right? So click on the audio and click here, and you can see the speed thing as well. The speed thing, you can see the speed. So I think I'm okay with the speed, but what I was showing was of the volume, so you can really lower it. Maybe 32% is okay. Video. And today I will welcome to my video. I tell you, okay, I think the 6% looks kind of good, so I'm going to go with that. Now, what I want to do is that I know I'm saying Filmforth, but maybe the voice is a little bit low, and I want to really focus on what app it is. So I even add text to help people lower it. So I'll add a text, so you can input your text. Now simply input your text. Don't worry, you can edit it, you can change that thing. Don't need to worry about it. So please input text, because here it is. Please input the text. Just change it to Filmforth. So just change it right to Filmforth. That's all you're gonna do. Just change it to Filmforth as you want, right? So let's change it, and yeah. So just change it to Filmforth, and there you go. So so we'll just write Filmforth Editor. So I'll just make it look like that, and there I have it. I'm happy with that. So yeah. Now you can also make it a little bit bold if you want it to be, and I think that is very nice. So now let's see how it looks. So what is Filmforth? Slide by slide we are going to get better, right? Filmforth. So what is Filmforth? You can see that it will automatically create a message. Look at it. Now what is the problem with me is that it's just coming like this all of a sudden, right? I want it to be a little bit slow with a bit of transition. Don't worry, you can also do transitions. So what you're going to do is to click on it and you can add your animations here, basically, which means transitions. So you can see you can add an ABC character thing. So I'll do it for entrance, do it for exit. Now you can also do emphasis effects, which are in the middle type. So keep in mind, if you do emphasis, you can't do entrance and exit. So I prefer entrance and exit. You might prefer emphasis. You can do that. Hi there. Now we are done. Welcome with it, and let's my video. And today let's go starting about Filmforth. So what is Filmforth? Filmforth is a free video editing software, and I'll tell you how to get it. So what is Filmforth? Filmforth is a free video editing software, and I'll tell you how to software, and I'll tell you how to get it. So first, step is that you have to go to your Microsoft Store and search for Filmforth. So here you can see see this thing. So what I want to do is that I want to just have a little transition thing. Why? So what I want to do is that I want to just have a transition that is going from here to here. So you might be telling how you can do that. The animation. So you can also do transitions. So it's really easy to do, and I'll tell you how to do it step by step, right? So first, what you're going to do is that first you have to go to the thing, and it will automatically land you to this thing, right? It's really, really easy. Now the next step is that what you have to do is that you have to just split the thing. So let's go into it. We have to go here, and then you have to go to the. You have to go here, and what you're going to do is that you just split it, and here you will see a little thing, right? And now you can see this thing, this transition thing. So you can add transition here. So what I'll do, I'll just fade it to black. Now this will come automatically. Don't need to do anything there. And now we'll do fade to black, right? And now see how it's going to work. Just see Filmforth. So what is Filmforth is that you can also do like a little bit wide. Like let's say you don't like this low screen, so you can also do it all the way wide. Now you can see it with speed, right? Hi there. Welcome big low to my video, and today I will tell you about Filmforth. So what is Filmforth? Filmforth is a free video editing software, and I'll tell you how to get it. So first, step is that you have to search for Filmforth right up here. So you search Filmforth. So you saw that little circle animation, and I'll tell you how to get it. So first, I'll show you once again. Step is that you have to see it. Search for Filmforth. Right, see here, right? Software, and I'll tell you how to get it. So first, step is that you have to. So you saw that little thing popping out there, right? So that's a little bit thing. So I'll close that part, and yeah, we get it, right? Now you can also extend your transition part like 2.0. Now the circle out part, maybe not circle out, maybe not circle in, because I'm inning it. I don't know, maybe that's fine. Yeah, so finally I've done it, and there you go. So that's how you actually do it. So we have done it, and now in the last part we will do something else. I'll tell you about that. So we have a picture effect here. So I'll tell you how to do that as well. So you see here that it's the time to extend here. So what I'll do, I'll just minus this thing. Okay, so I've really minus it, because that's how you get to use Filmforth. So hope you enjoyed this episode. Please consider subscribing. And that's how you get to this. So hope you enjoyed this episode. Please consider subscribing. So you can say please consider subscribe. I'm telling it. So what we can do is that we can add a picture-in-picture effect. So what that means is that subscribe thing. So in many videos you'll see that there's a subscribe little button thing popping up there and to tell you that subscribe it. So in your screen, it sometimes pops up in the down, sometimes pops in the up, some thing is clicking on the bell and it's something like that. So you might wonder that I want to add that animation. Can I do that using Filmforth? Yes, you can. You might wonder how. Just click on picture in picture and then you can pick and pick. You can add GIF and stickers. This is also used for other things like where you can add picture in picture. Let's say sometimes I had some video called Microsoft apps where I was showing like a Microsoft apps demonstration, and then I saw that's a Microsoft apps a picture in picture. So there you can add your own video or notification there. But we'll right now add a GIF. So what we'll try is that YouTube subscribe transparent. Now at first it will show that no internet, but it's just a problem of thing. You just get with it, right? Now you can see this animation. It's really cool. You might tell that I want to add it. Okay, I will add it. No worries about that. Add the picture in picture and you will be happy with it, right? And here you can see it added successfully. Now I did it a lot of times, so I have to really delete it because I want to please consider subscribing. And so I've done it, and till then how it is at the final. Let's see it. Please consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Till then. So you can see that little subscribe thing here. That was really cool. You can frame it as you want. So I have a light like that. You can add an animation there. So what we do that here, slide from the bottom or slide from the left. Yeah. You do slide left. I do the slide left entrance effect. So I think that will look cool. I add the last I look slide right. Okay. So that's what I'll do. And so please consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Till then, let's see. You enjoyed this episode. Please consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Till then. So you can see it's really how you do it. Now I want to publish a YouTube video like this, and I know that thing will be already there. So I'm just going to save the video, and you can see from here the 720p. Even do it 4K. I'm going to do it 4K. I know it looks a little bit that, but yeah, I'm going to save it. And there you have it. That's how you use the Filmforth Video Editor. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then don't forget to drop a like and also subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.